Throughout recorded history, mankind's quest for progress has been answered by remarkable discoveries that have propelled us forward and enhanced human life. One such breakthrough is the recent discovery that adult stem cells constitute the natural renewal system of the body. Leading scientific research into this entirely new approach to health management is StemTech, developer of the first natural products clinically documented to support the role of adult stem cells in the body.
I began working many years ago with a natural aquatic botanical called AFA. What was unique about AFA was the broad variety of benefits that people were reporting. How it worked was a mystery for many years until the discovery of the natural role of stem cells in the body. So we asked the question, what if AFA works by supporting the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow? So we went in the lab and we discovered that that's what it does. So we concentrate the active compounds found in AFA into a product called Stem Enhance. Then we asked the reverse question. What other plants out there are known to be associated with a broad variety of health benefits? So we went in the lab, we studied many of them, and we found two that are doing exactly the same thing. Fucoidan from one specific seaweed called Undaria pinnatifida and a Chinese herb called fotai. So by blending these two with Stem Enhance, we can obtain a much stronger effect that lasts much longer. And that's a product called SC2, which is the new generation in stem cell enhancers.
This new category of stem cell nutrition that we pioneered is truly revolutionary. It has the power to change the way people think about health and wellness.
When we understand the natural role of stem cells in the body, stem cell nutrition becomes obviously one of the best strategies to help regain and maintain optimal health. Anyone and everyone interested in health can take these products.
I've been using the products for about 4.5 years. After I saw what it did for my mom and dad, I was blown away by the benefits that they experienced.
I really, really needed help and had just suffered for so long. And I said, honey, we have to do this because I want to get well.
Within a very short period of time, my results were amazing. It changed my life.
Started taking the product March the 5th, 2006 at 4:30 in the afternoon. I'll never forget the date. And from that day on, life began to improve.
I needed energy, and so I began taking Stem Enhance. The energy that I received was amazing.
So many things started to change in our bodies.
I was amazed at how much better I felt.
It was significant to the point that people noticed a change in us.
I did not know it was possible to feel as good as I do.
We have the product of its time. There is no question in my mind.
So what we have with SC2 is a blend of Stem Enhance, fotai, and fucoidan that support a stronger and more long-lasting release of stem cells from the bone marrow. By putting more stem cells in circulation, more stem cells are available to migrate in various tissues and contribute to tissue repair, tissue renewal. StemFlow contains enzymes that will digest debris in the blood that will essentially support optimal blood flow. Now, stem cells need to migrate out of the blood into the tissues to be able to contribute to tissue repair, so that's why we have ST5 with MigraStem. MigraStem is made out of specific plants that we have discovered contribute to support the migration of stem cells out of the blood into tissues. And we blended MigraStem into a series of vitamins and minerals, essentially all the nutrients that the body needs to support the proliferation and the life of all these stem cells and all the other cells of the body.
Every morning I have ST5. It's amazing. I don't think I can ever live without it. Life simply could not be better.
Prior to taking SC2 and StemFlow, I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to play with my new grandchildren. However, after 2 months, I can report that I am excited to have a wonderful time with my grandchildren.
I wasted away so much that I was not strong enough to even get out of the chair.
And in 3 weeks, when I could walk and I could see that I was able to do these things, I was so happy. You know what? I'm really a fit gal, and I like to exercise.
I'm young, I'm healthy, and I want to continue with my health, so why not start taking it now?
I take SC2, Stem Flow, and ST5. They all work well for me, and I love it.
Having developed an expertise in stem cell research, the question we asked was, in all these compounds that are known in nature to support skin renewal and just refreshment of the skin, we asked which one is having an effect on stem cells. And we found a long series of ingredients, natural ingredients, that actually have a very, very interesting effect on the skin, but also on skin stem cells. And we used all of them in a very proprietary formula that is DermaStem, which is essentially a product that really taps into the renewal capacity of your own skin. There's no other product like this on the marketplace.